Right, now we're going on to Solidworks. This is where I'll build the part in a 3D model interface. Allow me to have a visual representation of the model and able to move it around. Right, so what you want to do is you want to open a file, open drawing, and select the drawing file you saved in DWG from AutoCAD, and then it will give you an interface of this, which asks you to create new SolidWorks drawing or import as part. What we want is to import the part and in 2D Sketch, and from there you want to deselect everything but drawing and layer 0. Layer 0 doesn't matter, but the rest you need to get rid of except for drawing. And then click next. From here you want to remove the selected drawings from the original drawing and keep the ones you want to see in the SolidWorks layout, so then you can move them around later. But now you want to select where I've got the isometric, because you don't want to see that, but you want to select that and delete that and select merge points closer than, so this keeps everything merged together so there's no gaps or minimal gaps, so when it meshes there'll be no problems. Sometimes it doesn't work, so you just got to be wary about that, because that's a pain when it comes to doing your simulations. But since this is a demo, it's fine. Yes, but this should be alright. There should be no holes in this because it's a simple object. When it becomes complex is when you need to be careful of your vertices. Right, so we've already got it there, 2D to 3D. What you want to do is select your first drawing, which is the front of your drawing, and then select add front to sketch. You've got to select your drawing first, the one you want to add to the front first. So there, and now that gives us access to the other views of which this drawing is going to be. So this on the left bottom side is going to be our left side, so you select that, select the left side, and that is going to be our top view. So add to top sketch, and that will go like that. Now when you have this issue, you want to make this come here so it lines up with this. You don't want it to be here, because when you initially put this together, you know, you need it all lined up so you can extract cut and extrude and so forth. You wanna have all your features in one spot, then rather, because it doesn't work like that. So to do that, you want to select this, a line sketch, and so where you've got this vertex here, vertex, and select that, that will bring it there, which pretty self-explanatory, just lines it, but you want it to be in line with one surface, so this line matches up here, this one matches up here. So I'm going to quickly do this. Oops. There we go. There we go. Right, now that's we want to see. Now to start this off, you click exit sketch first. You want to make sure that these are in the right order, because when we do a feature, it will overwrite the other one. So if the feature is above here, above the other sketches, then these sketches will disappear because it's classed as the feature sketch. So what you want to do is keep the features below the sketches so you can have these after. So these become before the feature. So these will still show and you can still use them. Right. So what we want to do is use the side view first to give our body, our model, our body. So to that we use extruded boss and select. Oh no, we need to select the sketch first to do it. Yes. select the surface, and you can see it's on the surface of the sketch. We don't want that. What we want it to be is on this front face, so we need to change it from up to vertex and select either one of these two vertices on this face, and it will go there, and that's where it will start on this side. So we just click directional, we reverse it, and then where it says bind, you bind it up to vertex, and select one of these two vertices like so, and there we go. It gives it to the dimension of the box, well, the map drawing. Text, and now it's gone, as you can see. So what we got here is the top view and the front view now. So next will be the top view. So we sketch. Oh, as you can see, does this need to be lower? Yeah, sorry, I got this wrong way around. They need to be lower than the features, so in order to have them visible. Yes. The center one, because we want to have the thickness, we don't want to get rid of the outside. Reverse, and from surface to plane, so that. And since it's 3.8 all around for the thickness, when you're looking at the CAD drawing, it's going to be down 36.2, so that is 40 take 3.8, and that gives us that. As a preview, we can see how far it goes down. So if it goes too far, we know it's obviously going to go below this, but yeah, that's where we want it. And then it should look like this once you go into extrude cut. You click the surface you want, that's the measurement you want, and then click OK, and there we go. So now we have a container shell, so we have the internal side done. All we have to do is this circle on the side. Now, since it's this sketch here, well, what we could do instead of being awkward is simply just go and click extruded cut on the surface we want, or this, oh yeah, sketch. Extruded cut, select the direction up to surface, and then select the contours. So get rid of that face, select you, and that should cut through then. There's our cube, our mod demo objects in Solidworks.